So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Neabot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Neabot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
Fantastic. And let's put the mop in. You could get a RoboVac from a different company, but it's not usually a Robo Mop as well. So you just add a little bit of water right into this attachment, which is included with the Coredy RoboVac. You seal it, and then the RoboVacuum converts in half a second to a mop. And once you put the water into here, the Robo Mop goes in. And I should mention that this pad comes off to clean. You can throw it into the wash, which is great. Okay. Let's take this bad boy for a spin. Now you might know the saying, don't cry over spilled milk, and you certainly don't cry over it if you have a RoboVac. That's also a Robo Mop. So right now, this beautiful Robo Mop is going to go to work. And I have deliberately placed spilled milk on the floor right here. But you'll see it's not spotting, right? It does one beautiful streak. You'll see as it goes through the milk right now, it's giving it a good mop, right? I don't need to do this. Look at that. I mean, this is not leaving residue, not leaving streaks. There's not splotches of white milk all over the place. It's really doing a good job, especially as it goes back over the area a second time.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Ethan, where are you?
Low battery, heading home. Finished charging. Resume cleaning.